Hey guys, my name's Jim and I make videos about chronic pain. Due to many years with thoracic outlet syndrome, and I've also had 3 lower back surgeries, so I've pretty much lived with chronic pain my whole adult life. And then my wife passed away about 8.5 months ago, so I've been dealing with emotional pain as well. Now the funny thing, not too long before my wife got sick, she asked me one morning, "What are you going to make your video of today?" I'm like, "I don't know, I just try to be different." And she looked at me and she said, "You don't have to try, you are different." And I just kind of looked at her, and I guess it kind of hurt my feelings a little bit. And she said, I don't mean that to hurt your feelings, but you are different. She goes, "I mean that in a good way. That's what I like about you. There's just something that's different about you." And, you know, I kind of thought about that, and I guess I've always been told that. Even when I was in school, when I was younger, you know, we play sports and stuff, like in grammar school and stuff, and kids would always ask me, "Well, why don't you get mad? You never get mad about anything." And you know, I guess I'm like, well, it's just a game. I never felt like a lot of things that people were getting mad about was worth getting mad about. I mean, I just felt like it's a game. Maybe that's what life is. Maybe life is just a big game. I always feel like people take everything so serious. They're always so angry about everything all the time. I think a lot of things in life, it's just how you look at it. I choose to look at things in a positive way. I mean, with all the, the things that have happened to me, all the chronic pain issues I've had, and then my wife dying, recently and all that, it's like, people say, "Oh, you seem like you're doing so good. You're always so positive." It's like, well, stuff happens to everybody. It's just how you deal with it. I've even had people say, "Wow, after your wife died, I didn't even think you were going to make videos anymore. I figured you'd quit." And I figured, for me, it's actually been therapy. I mean, to me, I think that's why I am doing good, is I just keep going through it and going through it. I don't always have good days. I mean, I have emotional ups and downs over it, and days when I'm, upset, but it gets better with time. And I think it's because I just keep going through it. I figure, life deals you these things and you're supposed to learn from them and then move on. So I figure by making videos like this, it can maybe bring a little hope and encouragement to other people. When I first started this YouTube channel, people would ask, what the channel name was, and I'd say it's TosTinMan. And they just kind of look at me and say, "What? What? That's not a good channel name. Nobody knows what that is." And it's like, yeah, but that's the whole reason I'm trying to bring an awareness to thoracic outlet syndrome. I've lived with it for my whole adult life, and I've always been waiting for someone to talk about it and kind of bring an awareness, and no one ever did. So I figured, you know what, maybe I should just do that because no one else is doing it. And so I just put that in my channel name. The Tin Man part's just because I'm real stiff. I don't move around too good. And then I started a cooking channel as well. There's actually some cooking on this channel, but people said in the comments, "I like your cooking, but it really doesn't mix with all your, your chronic pain stuff. You should start a separate channel." So what I call that channel? TosTinMan Easy Cooking. And then same thing. People were always like, "What does that mean? I don't get it." And it's like, well, if you watch and listen, I explain it every now and then you will get it. That's the whole reason that I did that. It's like, and I've had people say, "You know what, I never heard of thoracic outlet syndrome until I saw some of your videos, and now because of you, I've heard of it." So, at least I am bringing an awareness, and that's what I started out to do, and it's what I've intended to do all along. So I've just kind of been different and stuck to my guns, and hopefully this will help a few people along the way. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.
Life ain't always beautiful. Tears will fall sometimes. Life ain't always beautiful, but it's a beautiful ride.